How to fix unable to verify app. Let's jump right into the steps. For that, open settings, and then here you want to scroll down and tap on Safari. As you do that, you'll enter to this page where you want to scroll down to the bottom, and then you want to tap on Clear History and Website Data. You just want to tap on Clear History and Website Data and then tap on Close Tabs. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to the home screen of Settings. Then you want to scroll upwards and tap on General. Now here you want to scroll down and then you want to tap on VPN and Device Management. You need to make sure that VPN is turned off. If any of the VPN networks are connected here, you just want to turn it down, and then you have to make sure that VPN is turned off in every ways. Go back to the home page of Settings again, and then what you want to do is you want to tap on Screen Time. Then you want to tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. You have to make sure that all of these are allowed. Installing apps are put to allowed. Then you want to go back, and deleting apps should be put to allowed, and also in-app purchases are put to allowed. Now you want to exit settings, then go to any web browser. I'm using Safari here. So go to the search bar and search for any apps that you'd like to download, and then go ahead and tap on them. So it will take you to App Store. That is how you can fix the problem. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.